Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the European crayfish in Heartopia. This fish is important because it's used to cook crayfish, sesame, and deluxe seafood platter. So you definitely want to farm it regularly. And this European crayfish is a lake fish. This one, this one. You can find it at the forest lake like this, and on the map is on here, and then in here, just visiting it here. And then for the important part is the time and weather. You can catch it every day, but except the between 12 p.m. until 6 p.m. on here. So don't waste your bait during the afternoon because it won't spawn at all. And then make sure the weather is sunny or rainy or rainbow because it only appears in those conditions. So the trick is simple, just wait for that weather conditions and then just go to forest lake and fish outside the 12 p.m. until 6 p.m. window. Just follow those conditions and you will get these European crayfish pretty quickly. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.